I may never have an abortion, I may never need to, but I know a lot of women that will, medically, for a whole lot of reasons, and I don't think it's anyone's right to take that away.
A lot of us have prayed and hoped for years and years, and even generations before us have prayed and hoped for.
Off the top at 10 here, day 2 of reaction after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, ending almost 50 years of federal abortion rights here in the United States. Protests continued today near the Supreme Court. It's been mixed reaction, with some voicing outrage while others are celebrating. Fox 5's Paris Jones joining us live from outside of the Supreme Court building with more tonight. Hi there, Paris.
Hey, Jacqueline, good evening to you. And right now, you can see the crowd is dwindling down. Not many folks out here right now. But as we've seen over the past couple days, thousands of people have come out here to have their voices heard. Majority of those pro-choice, and they want SCOTUS to know they are not happy about that decision.
It was a very upsetting decision, as much as we all saw it coming.
Yeah, I was like, this really sucks, so we have to go march.
Day 2 of protest outside the Supreme Court. Hundreds of pro-choice and pro-abortion advocates hoping to have their voices heard after SCOTUS overturned Roe v. Wade.
Unfortunately, we're at a point where we're not only not progressing, but we're starting to move backwards.
It's going to ruin so many lives, and it's going to ruin the lives of these babies that they're demanding to be born.
All she did was respectfully try to give you her opinion, just like I am to you right now.
There were a few in the crowd in favor of the Supreme Court's ruling, like this group of pro-life advocates coming all the way from California and Indiana.
I believe that the right to life is the most fundamental, most basic right there is. And we need to protect it.
Abortion ends something, it aborts, it ends something, it ends a life. And so therefore it's wrong. Because then if we can end life in the womb because of their location or their size or their age, what makes us have value outside of the womb?
They say their main goal is to promote love for both the mother and child in the womb.
We are still here, even though it has been overturned, for the voice of the unborn. And just because it has been overturned doesn't mean that there's not going to be no abortions in the country.
Personally, I think it's good to spread awareness to other women that there's other options and that they're not alone, and that abortion is not a solution.
And Fox 5 asking protesters, now that the ruling has been made, what's next?
The thing that we can do is show our voice, show our courage, and as a group come together.
It's crucial, I think, because it is the first step of God knows how many other things.
While some were optimistic, others say they don't see anything happening, at least in the short term.
It takes a lot. It takes a lot to make a movement. I mean, if you think about the whole George Floyd thing and the Black Lives Matter, you saw how far that had to go before even the slightest little bit of change was actually made.
And I'll tell you, in speaking to a lot of the protesters today, they say they will come back here and do this as long as it takes to get the change that they want. Back to you.